I've heard from a number of founders who are a little bit confused about how advising works here at Feel the Boot. So I thought I'd make a really short episode to walk through the kinds of help I provide to early stage founders. Greetings, founders. Welcome to Feel the Boot, the science of startups. I'm your host, Lance Cottrell, and I'm here to help you along your arduous journey as a founder. Being a founder is a vertical learning curve, and I can help you along the way because I've been there and I have helped countless other founders along their path. The most basic help that I give is through the Feel the Boot website. It's all of the videos and articles and podcasts that you've probably already watched a number of. And that's the way I can get the largest scale. I can help all of the people who are interested all at once through that kind of public media. However, I may not have done an episode yet that addresses your specific need. That's why I set up office hours. So each week, I put aside a certain number of hours so that anyone who's subscribed to Feel the Boot can get on my calendar and get a half hour of one-on-one coaching time. You can just do that by subscribing to Bootprints, the mailing list, and I'll include a link to my Calendly every week. In those half-hour sessions, you can talk about any topic that you want. I'm there to help you with strategy, with fundraising, with marketing ideas, with product direction. Whatever you need to talk about for your startup, I'm there to help. It's all free. I just ask that you not book it back to back to back. So I'm going to talk to the same people every week. The time books up pretty quickly. So leave a few weeks of space in there. And I also appreciate it that you don't take more than, say, 5 sessions a year just to leave room for other people to get time on my schedule. If we've done a number of sessions together and you're getting a lot of value out of it, and I'm enjoying the process, it might make sense to take things to the next level. So for a handful of companies, I provide formal advisory services. So that's where we actually sign a contract. You give me 1% equity in the company in exchange for my 2-year commitment to work with you. With the advising, I'm providing a call every other week for up to an hour, again, on any topic you want. I do homework ahead of time, so if there's things that you need to research or materials you want me to look at, I do that as well. I'll also sit in on some phone calls with investors or partners or customers to help you in your pitching process. So everything except the formal advising is completely free, and even the formal advising is only for equity because I realize that the one thing founders don't have is cash. Thanks for watching this short episode. I hope you found it useful and have a better understanding for how I work with founders here at Feel the Boot. I really do encourage you to go sign up for our mailing list and get on my office hours. I love talking to founders like you. I'd also appreciate it if you could like this episode and leave a comment on what kind of other content you'd like to see me creating. We also have a community that you can join, the Feel the Boot Founders Alliance. I'll put a link to that down in the description. And till next time, ciao.